Guys, we're here at Elephante in Santa Monica, California. It's a gorgeous day in Southern California. I got the beach right here behind me. Guys, we got the Italian puccia bread. We got the stracciatella cheese. It's whipped cheese with honey and fig, baby. Let's check it out. Ooh, it's hot, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is smoking. Woo, hot tamale. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, baby. Hot. Oh, yeah, just dig in there. Oh, there we go. Bellissimo. Absolutely amazing. Wow. That's amazing. Guys, that pairs so well with this Italian beautiful Sauvignon Blanc. Amazing. Guys, we got the whipped eggplant with a little olive oil, creme fraiche, and a little garlic aioli. We're going to put some of that Italian puccia bread in there. Oh, baby, look at that grill on that bread. So amazing. Fabulous. Wow. Great starter. Oh, that is fabulous. Arancini time, guys. Check it out. Look how beautiful that is. Dip that like that. Oh, yeah. That is called the crispy balls of love, baby. Fabulous. Guys, come check out Elephante here in Santa Monica, California. The views are spectacular. The drinks, food, and service is great. It's right here on Ocean Avenue, a block away from the Santa Monica Pier. If you're looking for a great spot to have a great time, come check them out. And yes, it is Big Jim approved. Boom.